Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I would like to say thank you for your coming to my presentation. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ida as a moderator from Group 3. Today, our group will present a topic about weeds prevention, but first, I want to introduce your group member. First, Sabrina Nova, Muhammad Naufal, Muhammad Lutfi, and Nadila Hidayati. Okay, let's start presentation. Next. Which are one of the limited factor of rice crop production, which absorb nutrient and water faster than staple crop, which communication are influenced by factor related to technical culture, with special that grow depend on watering, fertilizing, tillage, and way of weed control. Next. In this presentation, we will discuss about technique in weed control, such as prevention measure, physical control, and biological control, and chemical control. Next.
First, there's preventive. Preventive is clearing the land from weeds before cultivating the plant, selection or separation of weed seeds that may be mixed in seeds or attached to agricultural tools, the use of mature manure to prevent contamination of weed seeds, prevention of transportation of plants, soil, and objects that provide the potential for the transfer of weed seeds and weeds to cultivated land. Next. Second, there is physical control, with control that carried out by farmers with agricultural tools through soil processing, pruning, inundation, burning, and the use of mulch. Next. The examples of physical control is soil processing. Soil processing is using tools such as hoes, rakes, plows, tractors that serve to eradicate weeds.
Pruning. Pruning is generally only effective for killing weeds a year and relatively less effective for annual weeds. Pruning should be done at the time of the weeds before flowering or when the leaves are growing thick. Inundation. Inundation is effective for combination weeds by inundating 15 until 25 centimeter deep for 3 until 8 weeks. Weeds should be sufficiently submerged so weed growth is suppressed. Burning weeds. Limited burning is still often done to clean place from plant debris after pruning. Burning can also kill insects and other pests and diseases such as fungi, bacteria. Deficiency of this system can reduce the content of humus or soil microorganisms, can increase erosion.
Mulching. The use of mulch to prevent sunlight from reaching the weeds so that the weeds cannot carry out photosynthesis, will eventually die and the growth of the ones or germination can be prevented. Next. Biological control. Weed control done by suppressing weed population with natural enemies such as insects, fungi, livestock, fish, so that existence of weeds is no longer detrimental. Terms of natural enemies in biological control. Natural enemies not harm cultivated plants even if the host does not exist. Its life cycle resembles that of its houseplant. For example, the population of natural enemies will increase if the population of its weeds also increases. Must be able to kill weeds or at least prevent weeds from forming seeds or breeding. Able to multiply and spread to other areas overgrown with weeds. Has a good adaptation to the house weed and the environment
it grows. Control example. With control of Mimosa diplodrica with exotic flesh Heteropsila spinulosa. And then semicial control. With control process using semicial formulation to suppress with growth on agricultural land. Semicial with control can use herbicides. Next. The right dose of herbicide is able to kill target weeds, but if the dose of herbicide is too high, it can damage and even kill cultivated plant due to the effect of herbicide residues. Affect animal psychology process, poisoning and in plant and pets, health problem to humans, and pollution to the environment. I think the use of herbicide in the eradication of weed can be done using a tool. For example, a bag atomizer or knapsack sprayer. Next.
Okay, thank you for your presentation. And if you guys have any question, just text us through on WhatsApp or Spada. Thank you.